Click on the link below to get price. The Pulsar PGD16ISCO Ultra-Light Quiet 1600W Portable Gas Inverter Generator is an impressive addition to any outdoor enthusiast's gear. Weighing in at just 37 pounds, this generator is designed for portability without compromising on performance. Its compact size makes it ideal for camping trips, tailgating, or even as a backup power source for home use. One of the standout features of this inverter generator is its ultra-quiet operation. With a noise level of just 58 decibels, it is quieter than many traditional generators, allowing you to enjoy nature without disturbing the peace. Whether you're cooking dinner at your campsite or powering essential devices during a power outage, the low noise level is a significant advantage. The Pulsar PGD16ISCO boasts a 1600W peak power and a continuous output of 1200W, making it suitable for running small appliances, lights, and electronics. The generator features two AC outlets, a DC outlet, and a USB port, providing versatile options for powering multiple devices simultaneously. I particularly appreciated the added convenience of the USB port, which is perfect for charging mobile devices. Fuel efficiency is another strong point, as the generator can run for up to 8 hours on a full tank of gas at a quarter load. This means less frequent refueling, allowing for longer uninterrupted use during your outings. Being CARB compliant further enhances its appeal, ensuring it meets environmental standards while delivering reliable power. The easy-to-read control panel and lightweight design make this generator user-friendly, even for those unfamiliar with portable generators. Maintenance is straightforward, with access to the oil and fuel fill areas being conveniently located. In conclusion, the Pulsar PGD16ISCO offers a fantastic blend of portability, quiet operation, and solid power output. Whether you need it for recreation or as a dependable backup power solution, this generator proves to be an excellent investment for anyone seeking reliable and efficient performance in a compact package.